In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Now you need to scroll again, this time to click on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter your current screen lock and tap on Face Recognition. Now hit Continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you wish, but make sure this one is enabled. Face Unlock. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, then look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!